So you have to see here two things. Every blockchain structure is just the data which is stored. So blockchain is nothing, just the blocks which have the data in it. So saying storing the data is actually every blockchain is doing it in different ways for different use cases. The key point here is not only store the data, but just to manage the data. That means to have the functionality of CRUD. So you can create, read, update, and delete. And you can keep on doing that, and you are the only owner of your data. The data is decentralized, it's on the nodes, it's stored on the blockchain in the forms of micro and metadata. And we give a framework of the DB, which you actually download, but your whole data is then backed by the blockchain. So there is no single point of failure. And as long as one node is live, maybe 10 years from now, you can always retrieve your data through your private key. And then comes the same thing which Alex has mentioned is the access to the data. So the access to the data, you can have the access through the private key, but you can also have a permission layers on the blockchain where you can actually give permissions to different parts of the organization who can come and then manage the data. So it's a full ecosystem of managing the data. The use case, or back to your question, why we're doing that, because the whole decentralized part of the whole decentralized world, and we are all, I think, the volunteers and soldiers of the decentralized world, and that's our vision to come to a place where not a big institution or a government has the rights or holds the whole information of our data, but we actually, all the people in that community, provide something where a user can be sure that his data, or anything, if it's NFT, it's again the data, belongs to him and nobody has access to him, access to the data until unless